Hello and welcome to SBC SB Cinema with a review of a vintage blacklight CFL light bulb. So, I've shown this in a previous unboxing video, but now it's time to be examined. We take it on the base and gently pull it out of the cardboard. You always have to take it on the base. And by the way, this is all new old stock stuff here. Oh yeah. See how black this is. You expect this from Blacklight, don't you? Yeah. Let's see what we have here. We've got the marking, Omnilux. 11 watt is the output. My fingernail looks dirty. I've worked before. So, let's gently slide it back in his sleeve. Protect it like a raw egg. And while we take a look at the box. And there's not really much going on it, because you know, this is kind of the thing that you bought at a party supplier. Omnilux lamps with a website. Gotta check out if this website is still online and if they still sell those, because they are a specialty bulb and they still make them. Yeah, we got 230 volt, 11 watts. And it's a E13 socket. Huh. There's not much more going on with the box. Oh wait, we have a sticker. Special purpose light bulb, blah blah blah. Yeah, show effect light bulb practically. Yeah, now we go over in a different room and just see how the effect is. So let's plug it in. Yeah. Let me get something white in the picture for you to see. Wow. This is working great. And so, this is how I look under blacklight. You know, you can't see much of me but the glasses, can't you? If I take them off and move them like this, you know, they're not even that sensitive to blacklight. Yeah, it's okay. The white plastic parts of this light bulb. And this is quite interesting. This is the phosphor of a little CRT screen, which actually reacts with the UV light and shines up. Interesting.